Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a landscape scenery. Let's start the drawing. First, we draw a straight line. Then we draw another straight line here. So this is the little land on the water. The branches of tree is here. Another tree here. Now we draw the leaves. Here are the leaves. Looks like little clouds, and combinedly they look like a tree. Okay, let's draw a sun here. The little shade on the water of the tree is here. Now we draw a boat. Let's make the boat darker. The other two stops here. Boat is binding. We see little shade or the reflection on the water, the ground. We can draw a man sitting here watching the sunset. All right, so this is pretty much the drawing. Simple theme, simple drawing. Now we can put little shades here, the sun, and for the tree, for the branches and the leaves, one side is darker and the other side is lighter because of the light falls on the object, and the reflection is not the same. That's how the lights and shades work. Let's make the sides around sun little darker. All right, we can put the blue shade on the water. The water is blue. Sky is little blue on top. Let's put the ground a deep shape. and the branches looks green. Trees are green too. We see little green shade on the water as the sun is setting. Little reddish at the yellow tone in the sky. We can see that. I see little shade here. All right, so this is the scenery. I hope you guys like it. Small detail we can make here for the board. All right, if you like, please like, share and subscribe. Do the practice, practice and practice. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.